Hello everybody. Hey, here from Respect Autocraft. Now it's been a long time since we've done a video, but today we're unboxing vintage air AC and heating system for a 77 C10 pickup truck that we're going to be installing. So we did one recently on the 69 Corvette Stingray, and so this is the second one we're doing. Didn't have time to really record everything because we've been so busy, but this time we're going to try to go through it, come back at a couple of the steps. We obviously can't go step by step. I don't have a full-time camera person, so what I'm going to do is we're going to unbox it, show you everything, and then we're going to go through, as we go through and install things, we'll come back and make different videos and show you what we installed and what problems we had or what we ran into. If we ran into any problems or anything like that, and any modifications we had made. So let's open this box. This is the main one. And Vintage there does a really good job packaging their products. Like I said, when we did the 69 Corvette, everything came packaged pretty neat. Everything is protected very well. Everything is pretty much labeled, so it makes it easy. Here's some paperwork. So this is the packing list right here, and on this particular package that we got, we didn't order the AC compressor brackets or the AC compressor because we're going with a RAB belt drive system, which we have here also, that we're going to be opening up for you guys. Not now, but probably later. So I'm going to leave this in this box because most of this stuff is instructions for what's in this box. So in this box here, we have vent tubes. We have the main unit here. Airbox, condenser, looks like some of the pieces for the venting, block off plates, more brackets, AC hose kit, wiring harness, yep, and then we got pickup control panel. Control panel here. And another block off plate here. And every package has their package list right here. And in the control panel, you'll have an instruction booklet for the control panel. And that'll probably show you how to calibrate it and how to wire it. Like I say, they make it pretty simple for you. Alright, let me see. The next box here. Okay, these are the AC lines. These are the AC lines right here. And like I said, here's an instruction kit. Almost every box has its own little instruction kit and packing list. So you can check and make sure you got everything. So I'm going to keep all this stuff separated right now so I can go through it and make sure I didn't lose anything. And another box here. Oops. through here so you see. Okay, this must be the condenser. Yep, so this is the condenser kit. Yep, hard lines. And like I said, instructions for the condenser kit. 73 to 80 pickup. And you know, they make it very easy for you. We're going to keep all this stuff together. And there's one more box. All right, last box right here. Let me see. All right, let's see what this is. Oh, some more AC fittings, AC line pieces right here. I don't know why this came in its own little box. I guess because I didn't order the compressor with it and the compressor brackets, because usually you have another box with the compressor and the brackets for the compressor. But like I say, we didn't order that with this one because we're going with a RAB belt drive system, and it comes with a compressor and it comes with the brackets for the compressor, which I highly recommend. On the 69, we had problems with belt noise and the extra load added from adding the AC, but we got through all that and we figured out a way to make it work. But from now on, I'm recommending just go with a belt drive system. Makes things a whole lot better. So like I say, we'll get back to you, and we'll get back to you guys, and we'll post up some more videos of the install going in and things like that, and let you know what kind of issues we ran into and what kind of issues that you might look for during your install, and hopefully we can help you out. And like I said, again, it's Vintage Air, very good package, very good product. Last one we installed came out perfect. Didn't run into too many issues at all. So let's hope it goes the same way again this time. All right, see you guys next time. Bye.